Take down the next problem. Let y is equal to 7, 6 and u is equal to 4, 2. Find orthogonal projection. Find orthogonal projection of y on u. Y and u are given and we are asked to find the orthogonal projection of y onto u. So here, just a minute. Yes, you can consider the xy plane. We are given y and also u. So you have to find the projection of y on u, right? So here, this point you can consider this as P. So now, since we are asked to calculate the projection of y on u, so here we go step by step. So first we have to calculate the scale multiple quantity, that is x vector you need to calculate. So here instead of x vector we are given y. So here y vector, that is the scalar multiple or multiple quantity that is taken for defining the projection. So here how we are going to define the projection. So here first I'll write the equation of projection. So P, it is equal to x vector into a, this equation we had, right? So here since we are given y, so here it can be written as y vector into, so it is drawn on the line u. So here in the, while explaining the theory concept, I told that, so here the projection B, it is drawn on the line A. So here since we are drawing on the line u, so here this has to be multiplied with u. So you need to keep this concept in mind and then you have to write the equation. So here we need to calculate y cap. So here we'll see how to calculate this. Y cap, it is obtained as, so here y is a projection, right? So what was the equation for the projection? X cap again ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. X cap what was the equation?
A transpose B by A transpose
A
A.
transpose B by A transpose A, right? So yes, since here in this case B was a projection, but here in this case Y is a projection. So what we can write for Y cap? What equation you can write?
U transpose
Yes, U transpose, very good. Y by U
divided
transpose
by
U.
U transpose Y.
So you need to solve this and get the multiple scalar multiple value. So here first you just go with the calculation of U transpose Y. So U transpose Y multiply ಮಾಡಿ and get the answer. U transpose Y trans U transpose U ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ. U transpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 2. So here which is
28 12.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ?
28 and 12 ma.
28 and 12. That is 28
12.
plus 12 you have to perform. Right? This is 7 6, right? So here this is equal to 28 plus
40.
12, which is equal to 40. So U transpose Y, it results in the value 40. Similarly, what about U transpose U? That is nothing but 4 2 multiplied with 4 2. 16, 4 4s are 16. Next, 2 2s are
20.
is equal to 20.
20.
So once you get this, get y cap. So y cap is 40 by 20, that is equal to 2. Y cap is 2. So now once you get this, you can go for writing P. So P is y cap into what? U. ಏನು ಬರೆದಿದೆ equation PXA. So y. So this is equal to 2 into y ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? y u ನ
U ma'am. Y cap into U.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. 2 ಇಂಟು 4 2ನ ಬಂತ? U is 4 2. So substitute ಮಾಡಿ 2 4s are 8 2 2s are 4. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. So this is the
Yes, ma'am.
projection, and also here you can calculate the length, that is y minus p. Y minus p. Y ಏನಂದ್ರೆ values 7 6 and p is 8 4. That is nothing but the distance between the projection of y with respect to the point. So ಈ distance ಏನಿದೆ, so this distance is y minus p. So this y minus p calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. So direct subtraction, 7 minus 8 is minus 1, 6 minus 4 is 2. So this can also be shown. Next problem ನೀವೇ solve ಮಾಡಿ. Project B of 1 2 3 onto the line. Project B of 1 2 3 onto the line. Throw A of 1 1 1 to get X and P. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So P ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? P is equal to X into A, right? And what is X?
A transpose B by A transpose A.
There is no change here. A transpose B ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, A transpose A ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. A transpose B, it is A transpose is 1 1 1 and B is 1 2 3 here. So what is its sum? Similarly A transpose, how much?
1 2 3.
6.
Sum or
6
1?
ma'am.
1 2 3 ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು.
6 ma'am.
6.
6 ma'am.
Yes.
6.
A transpose A 1 1 1 1 1 1. 3 ಬಂತಾ?
3 ma'am. Yes.
Now get X cap. 6 by 3. That is 2.
2.
Next, get the projection. 2 into A is how much? 1 1 1. So this is equal to 2 2 2. Can you also calculate the distance vector B minus P? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ B, this is A. We are drawing projection of B on the line A. So consider the projection point as P. So this distance will be B minus P. So B minus P. B is 1 2 3 and minus 2 2 2. This is equal to minus 1 0 1. This is the distance vector. Next, we go back to some orthogonal pair problem. So find the orthogonal pair. In the yesterday class we have solved this. Find the orthogonal pair. U is equal to 5 4 1. V is equal to 3 minus 4 1. W is equal to 1 minus 2 3. ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೀನ ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ. ಚೆಕ್ ವಿಚ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಪೇರ್. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಫಾರ್ U dot V. So U dot V, in the sense you have to write U transpose into V. Check. So when you say orthogonal pair, the dot product of these two, it must result in how much value? ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ 0. you have to see that whether the dot product of the any two vectors, whether it results in 0. If it results in 0, you can say u and v are orthogonal. So here I'll write 5, 4, 1.
0, ma'am.
Banta? Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
this is equal to 0. So here we can make the statement u and v are orthogonal to each other. So here you can write u and v are orthogonal to each other. Next, check for v and w. So next v dot w. So which is written as v transpose w. V transpose andre how much we get? 3 minus 4 1 multiplied with 1 minus 2 3. 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 3 plus 8 plus 3. That is, it results in the value 14, right?
14, ma'am.
Yes. So you can say that V and W are not orthogonal to each other. Not orthogonal. They are not orthogonal to each other. Similarly, check for U and W. Finally, we left with U dot W. Or W dot U also you can write.
Orthogonal.
Yes. If it results in 0, you can say that orthogonal. So here this is how you are going to check the orthogonal pairs. And next, take one more different problem. Suppose if u is equal to 1, k, comma 3, and v is equal to minus 2, minus 5, 4. If u and v are this, if they are orthogonal, if u and v are orthogonal, find k. If they are orthogonal, find k. So how we are going to solve this? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So how we are going to solve this?
U transpose V equals to 0 substitute.
It must be 0, right? So here take the dot product of u transpose v and equate it to 0, get the value of k. Solve ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So u transpose, in the sense I'll make this as 1k3 and here minus 2 minus 5 4, it is equal to 0. So now you get minus 2 minus 5k plus 12 is equal to 0. So minus 2 plus 12 andre, that is 10 is equal to 0, which implies k is equal to how much?
2, ma'am.
Yes, the value of k is 2. So suppose if you are given the problem like this, if you are asked to calculate any element value, then you can proceed like this. Yes. Take one more last problem on this. So similar problems are there. I'll be giving those as assignment. So I'll be passing the notes to you. We just work on that. We'll take one last more problem. Yes. Take the problem. Project B onto A. Project B onto A. And also compute P is equal to X A. Find the error vector. Find the error vector. Project B onto A. Also compute P is equal to XA. Find vector. So here B, it is given with the elements 1 3 1 and A is with the elements minus 1 minus 3 minus 1. ಮಾಡಿ. So first x calculate ಮಾಡಿ. X ಗೆ what is the equation? A transpose A by sorry, A transpose B by A transpose A. Solve this and get the value for X and then calculate P. A transpose B ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? A transpose ಅಂದರೆ -1, -3, -1 on the row wise. Column ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1, 3, 1. This is equal to how much?
-11.
-11. Yes. What about A transpose A? You can take the vector.
11.
Yes, this is +11, right? Then X is how much? -1.
-1.
And then P is -1 into A. A is how much here? -1, -3, -1. This will be resulting in 1, 3, 1, which is same as B here, right? So when you are getting the projection same as that of the vector element B, so what should be the error vector? You have drawn the projection of B on A, right? Projection of B on A, you have drawn. B it is given as 1, 3, 1. So when you calculated here, theoretically you can see that the projection, it also results in the same value as that of B, that is 1, 3, 1. So what should be the error vector? ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಎರರ್? How much should be the error? 0. So, 1, 3, 1 ಇದೆ, illu 1, 3, 1 ಇದೆ. So, right? So, the error vector should be 0. So, here error, it is nothing but the distance that we used to calculate, B minus P. So, here B is 1, 3, 1 and P is also 1, 3, 1. So, here 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, here you can see the error between the line projection and the vector B, it is 0. So in the next class, we'll take up 2 more concepts, least square and one more method is there. So that is going to end up with the module 4. So for the internals, complete module 3 and module 4 are there. So you just work on that. I may give the exercise problems this time. So you need to work with the problems. You may not find the solutions in the given notes itself. So work with the exercise problems. Now all of you can leave the meeting. Thank you.